Hey everybody, it's me, Niqi. I haven't did a video in a few weeks, but I'm gonna do one now because I am feeling away. I think I'm in the wrong area. Not saying my people broke. Not saying none of that, but we all know I do crafts, right? Now, I'm just gonna get right into the video. No intros, no nothing. I'm just gonna get right into it. Now, we all know I do crafts, and I would never want to overprice anyone. I can't underprice anyone either because I'll be cheating myself, and of course, I can't do that. I buy products, I buy bulk. I have I've invested into 3 cup turners now because I have been making cups like left and right. I know the holidays coming up, but I've been crafting since March of this year, 2021. Yeah, excuse me. And I try this, I try that, I try this. I do different crafts to see, I just try different things to keep busy. I'll do this for you, I'll do that for you. Now, again, I never want to overprice anyone by any means, but I have to compensate for my time, my products that I have to get, my supplies and stuff like that. Some of these things are not cheap. They just not, they're not. A story, a few days ago, I went to get some gas. I asked, can I leave my business card? Quick. I asked to leave my business card. This was the clerk. She told me, yeah, you can leave your business card. She was asking, what did I do? And I told her, a little bit of everything. I do glasses. Right now, I'm really big on my glasses and stuff. She asked to see some of them and to bring the cards back. So I knew I was coming back that way, so I did. And when I brought them back, she had an audience. So, y'all give me y'all opinion, though, okay? Wait a minute. I showed her this exact glass first. Wait. Oh, sorry, ghost. I showed her this exact glass first. Okay. And she goes, oh no. I mean, going all the way off. Like, oh no, I would never. I'm like, huh? I'm confused. Like, well, and she's like, I'm like, confused. So she's like, I would never buy that dollar store glass from you. Pause, because I'm a dollar store queen. Hold on, wait a minute. Do they sell these at the dollar store? Okay, like I told her, you can't tell me where I got my stuff from. Now, let's say I bought a plain glass from the Dollar Tree, okay? Some of their glasses I wrote on, but let's say I bought a plain glass from the Dollar Tree. They didn't come like this. I use my Cricut. I have a Cricut. I put jewels. I add jewels. This ain't no Dollar Tree glass, baby. She almost pissed me off, but either here nor there. I'm like $12. Like, dang, we doing that like that? You ain't got to do all that in front of all these people. And it's like, oh, we're going to do that now. Okay. Now, I don't even think we got to the big ones. Look how, this is a beautiful glass to me. I'm not saying it because I made it, but I think it's a beautiful glass. I saw this on the internet and I decided to try it. And this is what I got, and I think it's beautiful. And I say I sell my glasses $45, the big ones. Now, these I was selling for $35. because that's all I had access to was the small one. So I found the bigger cups. So I was like, so I feel like I'm an artist, so I feel I can do more on the bigger canvas of, you know, being that's a bigger cup. You know, here's another one. And it's like, dude, you see that little thing on there? The little flower thing? I have to use my Cricut that I paid $100 and some for. I have to buy the paper for the Cricut. I buy jewels. I buy glitter. I buy glue. I buy all type of stuff. And it's like, I buy little decorations to make stuff pretty. I buy this stuff. This stuff is not given to me. By any means is it given to me. You know, I try to do little different stuff. Now, this one has a shiny finish, which means I did put resin on it to try it out. And I love it. I love the shine. I don't drink by any means, but I will have a cup for decoration. Just me, you know. So anywho, she's like, oh, you too expensive for me, you know, blase. And I'm like, okay, I'm packing up, you know. So this is the last one I did. I'm packing up my stuff, like, okay. She's like, you can leave your cards right here, blah, blah, blah. And I shouldn't have left my cards because I had to pay for those. I can make my own cards, but I was in a mood where I wasn't in a mood to make no cards. So I paid for my cards. So I hope and pray she didn't swipe my cards off the thing or threw them away or something. But I said all that to say this. First of all, I felt that was very rude of her. That's my opinion. If you didn't want it, you asked me to bring these items in. And if you didn't want anything, fine. You asked to see. I was just showing you what I do. You asked, I show. You asked, I show. So I took my box. I had them everything boxed up, you know. And I went to another person that was wanted to see some things, and I told what happened, and they're like, you know, that was a discouraged moment, like, don't let nobody discourage you, because that's all that was, you know. And I could see you made these by hand, you know what I'm saying? I showed her more than I just showed you. I had ashtrays and everything, the light up ones and everything, and I'm sitting here like, dang. So a minute ago, I just was thinking, like, am I charging too much? I feel you pay more when things are personalized. These are personalized glasses. You can get a plain glass if you like, but these are personalized glasses. Basically, that's what I do. You want your name on it, you want Tool on it, you want it pretty, like a certain way. I try my hardest to get it to you that way. Okay? And these are not just plain glasses that I'm offering for $45, damn near $50. I take time to do these glasses. You know, I love it. I really do. It's one glass I have to do today. I'm going to try to do it. No, I'm going to do it because I've been putting it off. And I'm going to do... I don't know, but I'm going to get that glass out too, and my favorite color is purple, so I think I'm going to do that one in a purple. And I just do these glasses to show what I can do, what you can get, what's offered, and how you want it. You tell me what color you want, you tell me, I got you. You want it freestyle, I got you. It's not going to be nothing shabby or anything like that. So I'm going to do that later. It made me think, like, I should do a poll on, would you pay this much for this glass? Did you know what I got back? Some I got attitude back in my own home. I felt And it's like, would you pay this much for this glass? You know? They're like, no, what would you pay for the glass? Nothing. I'll just make it myself. Like, so I'm calling around. I'm like, is this glass too much for this amount of money? I mean, not even looking at the style of it, because the style is on you. You, however you want it styled, you let me know and I do it. So, I got a person that says no, because they're personalized. If anything's personalized, it's more. It costs more because you're personalizing it. Okay? People just look and think that you just take a glass and it's pretty. No, that's not as easy as it goes. I have buckets of glue. I have bags of rhinestones. It's like, I take this serious. So then I asked someone else. They're like, yeah, that's too much for the glasses. Someone else said that's too much for the glasses. And one said, around here, that's too much for the glasses, because we do have people without jobs and the pandemic done hit. This is my job. I'm not trying to strip anyone, don't get me wrong, but this is my job. And I have to break. I don't want to break even. I want to make my profit off. So I think I came to the conclusion where I may get more customers if I lower my prices until I relocate. Yeah. And I don't want to fuck myself either, excuse me, but I don't want to, fuck. Am I happy about it? No. No, I'm not happy about it. Even though I get it, I'm not. That doesn't mean I'm going to be happy about it, because I know the amount of time I spend. You can't get that time back. I already done wasted time, and I'm about to be 45 years old. I don't mind telling my age is nothing. And I can't get that time back. And if someone orders from me, I have customers, don't get me wrong, but maybe I can have more customers if I lower my prices. Let's try that. Let's lower the prices and see what happens then. What would I call it? Glass extravaganza. What would I call it? That's why I got on here and I probably was looking like I was crying or something. But no, I wasn't crying. I was just thinking hard. And I don't want to gyp anyone. And I don't feel it's a gyp, because I put all, like right now, I have a project that I'm doing, and this will be I have to redo that project because it's so totally not what I need. It's so totally effed up so bad that, in my eyes, I have to redo it, and this will be the third time. This has happened before. It will be the third time that I had to redo it. But like I said, I'm not giving you something that I'm not happy with. So, after this video, I will be getting started the project, because I have a few projects to do. I have that one to do over. I have to bloody up a shirt for Halloween. I have to do this glass that I spoke about earlier. It still doesn't make me feel it's still not saying that I'm not feeling away, because I had plans. So what I'm doing now is I'm making glasses, making them. I have some orders, but on the other hand, I'm trying out new glasses that I have saw on the internet or YouTube that I want to try. And I have the things to try them with, so I'm going to go ahead and do it today. So yeah, if the glasses you all saw, the big ones, the little ones, or whatever, you all do me a favor and just comment below, what would you pay for a glass of that nature? A personalized glass. It's just not just that glass, but a personalized glass. What would you pay for a personalized glass? Now, let me show. I'm not putting no shoes on. Let me show you the glasses that have tulle on them. I have glasses like this with tulle on them. Really pretty. And it has writing on them. This is the style I did. And the tulle is on there. And in the front, that's how it looks. That's one. Then I have a martini glass. You hardly see these. This is a, it has like polka dot and white. No, silver, white, you know, tulle. That's how that looks. That's how it looks. Something can be wrote on there. This is just a model glass, by the way. So if you want this glass, speak up and I can personalize these glasses. The glasses that are model glasses, y'all, they are model glasses where if you like that particular glass, you can get it personalized. And yeah, these champagne flukes, like, ooh, I'm about to drop it. Like these here, they are $20 a pair. Hold it one at a time. Don't want to drop nothing. On here says, I said yes. You can get to say whatever you want. And that's how it looks. I use my imagination for a lot of stuff. Unless you tell me you want something. And that's the other one. The flukes come with 2 flukes. And they're $20 a set. Those are sets. So, yeah, I mean, if I'm overpricing, please leave in the comments like, no, I wouldn't pay that for that. You know, please. Please. I have a Cricut that does all my personalizations and stuff like that. I use rhinestones a lot. I love rhinestones. See, I do. I love rhinestones. The vinyl. I have to buy this stuff, y'all. Like, no one is sponsoring me where they're buying my stuff for me. I ain't even finna do all that unwrapping. But it was a really nice cup that I did. I have these here. This is what I like to use. These big cups. Some of them seem to be longer. The goblet. But they're the large still. They're large goblets. Like, and here's another plain martini cup. I just did one model martini cup. But I don't know. But yeah. I'm going to end this video with be happy, be bright, be you. And don't let nobody change you. But please leave a comment. Like. Subscribe if you haven't already. To let me know. What do you think about these prices? Are they ridiculous? Would you buy? You know. And I'll talk to y'all later. Be safe.